Well, this sucked. All right, now we do more car content. Today I'm gonna make a chicken salad. I gotta do better with lighting. I get creative now. We're making a chicken salad sandwich, Sammy, in the car. Got my cutting board. Put my chicken out. Let me cut this up for y'all. I can't get a good angle here for this. For the content, this is tough, I'm telling you. Making it work though. Get hot in here cutting this all up for y'all. All right, this should do. Oh. Transfer to the bucket. This is too much. All right, we transfer it to the bucket. Tomatoes. Dice up a few of these boys. Roly-poly-olies. See how I could do this for y'all. And we're getting hectic in here, ladies and gentlemen. This ain't my normal stick. Oh! For the binder, yogurt, vanilla flavor. I don't know about this, but whatever. Whatever. She getting too messy. This is not a job for me. These came in handy. Hot sauce. Healthy bread. There we go. Slap some of that chicken salad on top of here. There we go. Get some of that tomato action. Can't forget your lechuga. Nice little handful of this. Top here. Lid it. Brim it. There we go. Chicken salad in the car. Okay. Got tomato. Vanilla. Interesting. One more bite. Probably never do this, guy.